So, I got a question here. I cannot solve this problem for the life of me, and there's no way that I can really explain it, so I'm making a video here. Kind of a long shot, seeing if somebody out there can help me out. Basically, what's going on is when I start my '04 Chevy Trailblazer, it starts making a really funny sound, and it comes from somewhere in here. I have no idea what it is, and I can't really explain the sound, so I'm just going to start it up and show you. I have absolutely no idea what it is. Now it'll change speeds. You can hear it a little bit now, and it's going faster. Not figure out what it is. Generally it goes for a little while when you first start it, then it shuts off for a little while and then starts back up again. Sometimes it'll take about 5 minutes to go away. I'll just restart the vehicle and show it to you one more time. So, obviously that's kind of annoying. If anybody out there has any idea what this could be, I'd really appreciate it.